Stop scrolling right now. Don't swipe. Don't minimize this. And don't skip ahead, because what you're about to hear is not the same. Recycled advice you've already seen 100 times. You've probably clicked on videos before that promised easy money, fast results, and secret methods. But deep down you already know how that usually ends. Confusion, wasted time, and no real progress. That's exactly why this is different. This is not about hype. It's not about unrealistic income claims. And it's definitely not about outdated ideas like surveys or oversaturated freelancing gigs. This is about real, simple, and practical ways students are actually making money online in 2026, starting from zero. And if you stay till the end, there's a very high chance you'll find one idea that actually makes sense for you. Something you can start without money, without experience, and without waiting for the perfect moment. Now here's something most people won't tell you, and it might be the reason you haven't made money online yet. It's not because you're not smart enough. It's not because you don't have skills. And it's definitely not because opportunities don't exist anymore. The real reason is that your attention keeps getting pulled in different directions. One day, you watch a video about freelancing. The next day it's dropshipping, then affiliate marketing, then something else. Every time you switch, you start from zero again. You never stay long enough on one thing to actually see results. Meanwhile, someone else with the same starting point as you picks one idea, sticks with it, and slowly starts making money. That's the only difference. It's not talent, it's not luck, it's focus. So for the next few minutes, forget everything else. Don't think about 10 different ways to make money. Don't worry about what others are doing. Just listen like this is the only video that matters. Because for you, it might be. Somewhere in this video, there's going to be one idea that feels simple, clear, and doable. When you hear it, you'll know. And that's the one you need to act on. Before we get into the actual methods, there's one mindset shift you need to understand. Making your first $500 online is not about doing something big or complicated. It's about doing something small, but doing it consistently and correctly. Most people fail because they aim to high too fast. They want thousands of dollars without even making their first $10. But it doesn't work like that. The goal is simple. Make your first $50, then $100, then $200. And once you reach that point, $500 becomes realistic. It's a process. And once you understand that, everything becomes easier. Now imagine this for a second. You're a student with no experience, no money, and no connections. And within a few weeks, you make your first $100 online. Not because you went viral, not because you got lucky, but because you followed a simple idea and executed it properly. It sounds unrealistic at first, but it's already happening. Right now, there are students quietly making money online without showing off, without posting screenshots, and without making noise. They're just doing the work. And today, you're going to understand how that works. Let's start with something that's growing fast, but still under the radar. AI content cleanup. Businesses are using AI tools to generate content, but most of that content sounds robotic and unnatural. This creates a problem. And where there's a problem, there's an opportunity. Your job is simple. You take AI-generated content and rewrite it to sound more human, more engaging, and more natural. You're not creating from scratch. You're improving what already exists. Businesses are willing to pay $20 to $100 per piece for this, because it directly affects how their audience connects with their brand. All you need is basic English understanding and the ability to make sentences sound natural. That's it. Now let's move to something even more interesting. Digital product flipping. Instead of creating something from zero, you take existing digital products like planners, templates, or guides that come with resale rights, improve them, and sell them again. The key here is positioning. For example, instead of selling a generic planner, you turn it into a student productivity planner for 2026 and market it to a specific audience. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad allow you to reach buyers easily. Once your product is live, it can generate passive income without constant effort. Some students make their first $500 from just one well-optimized product. Another powerful method is short-form content editing. Content creators are posting daily on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. But editing takes time. That's where you come in. Using simple tools like CapCut, you can edit videos by adding captions, effects, and transitions. Even beginners can start this. Many students are earning $100 to $500 per month by editing videos for a few clients. The demand is high because short-form content is dominating attention, and creators need help to keep up. Now here's something unique. Voice dataset recording for AI companies. As AI voice technology grows, companies need real human voices to train their systems. You can record simple scripts or phrases and get paid for it. You don't need professional equipment, just a quiet space and a decent microphone. Payments can range from $5 to $50 per task. It's flexible, simple, and still not widely known. Another smart method is micro-source idea validation. Startups often test ideas before building them. You can help by creating simple landing pages and sharing them to measure interest. Based on the response, founders decide whether to move forward. Students are getting paid $50 to $200 for this. It requires no coding, just basic understanding of communication and free tools. Then there's digital note packaging. Instead of keeping your notes to yourself, you organize them into structured guides and sell them to other students. Add summaries, visuals, and practice questions to increase value. High-quality notes can sell for $15 to $40 per pack. This works because you're solving a real problem, saving time and improving learning. Now let's talk about something most people ignore. Simple work that solves real problems. You don't need to be the best. You just need to be useful. If you can make something easier, faster, or clearer for someone, they'll pay for it. That's how the online world works. At this point, you might be thinking, which one should I choose? And the answer is simple. The one that feels easiest to start. Not the most profitable, not the most popular, but the one you can begin today without overthinking. Because action is what creates results, not planning. Here's the reality. After this video ends, most people will do nothing. They'll feel motivated for a few minutes and then go back to scrolling. But a small percentage will take action. They'll try one idea, fail a little, learn, improve, and keep going. And those are the people who start making money. The difference is not knowledge, it's execution. So now the decision is yours. You can treat this as just another video, or you can use it as a starting point. If you choose to act, your first $500 is not far away, but only if you start. And remember this, in 2026, attention and skills are the real currency. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage. So don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait to feel ready. Just pick one idea, focus on it, and begin. Because the people who start today